Hello everyone, today I will take you to the depths of your oceans. Are you ready to dive deep? So subscribe and give the video a like and let's get started. At the bottom of the ocean, various organisms and ecosystems are often found in deep waters. These include natural formations such as sea creatures, coral reefs, undersea mountains, canyons, and underwater volcanoes. Various minerals, rocks, and mud can also be found on the ocean floor. Getting to the bottom of an ocean is a challenging and dangerous task, so it can be difficult to have a thorough knowledge of these areas. However, thanks to scientists and submarine reconnaissance instruments, more information has begun to be learned about the ocean floor. New discoveries are being made, such as previously undiscovered species, interesting geological formations, and even prehistoric remains. However, having a precise and complete knowledge of the bottom of the ocean is quite a challenge. Because the ocean floor contains unexplored regions due to its depths and spreading areas. However, current scientific studies and discoveries have enabled us to reach some information. Here are some details about the bottom of the ocean. Marine creatures living at the bottom of the ocean are found in deep-sea ecosystems. There are various creatures such as deep-water corals, sponges, sea anemones, sea snails, sea bugs, starfish, squid, sea snakes, and sea urchins. You can also see deep-sea fish, sharks, tuna, and other large sea creatures. Deep-sea volcanoes. Volcanoes on the ocean floor form an important part of deep-sea ecosystems. These volcanoes can spew lava, gas, and rock underwater, shaping the geology of the seafloor. Also, special environments, called hydrothermal vents, can form during volcanic activity. In these environments, high temperatures and rich mineral solutions allow interesting microbial life to exist. Submarine mountains and mountain ranges. On the ocean floor, there are also submarine mountains and mountain ranges. These are elevations formed as a result of tectonic movements. Examples are the Pacific Ridge in the Pacific and the Mid-Atlantic Ridge in the Atlantic Ocean. These mountain systems, together with various volcanic activities and rock movements, form the topographic structure of the seafloor. Minerals and resources. Valuable mineral resources can be found on the ocean floor. In some areas, deposits of manganese nodules, hydrates, sulfur minerals, and other valuable minerals have been discovered. In addition, oil and natural gas reserves may also be located on the seabed. These resources could be important for potential future extraction and energy production. The deepest place in the ocean is a point known as the Mariana Trench. It is located in the Pacific Ocean about 2,550 kilometers east of the Mariana Islands. The Mariana Trench is the deepest known point in the world with a great depth of approximately 11,034 meters. The deepest point of the Mariana Trench is called the Challenger Depth. This depth was discovered during the HMS Challenger expedition in 1875 and has since been studied in more detail by various expeditions and reconnaissance vehicles. The Challenger depth is about 2,000 meters deeper than the summit of Mount Everest. The Mariana Trench is located at the confluence of the Pacific Plate and the Philippine Plate. At this point, the oceanic crust collapses, creating a deep trough as the plates move toward each other. The Mariana Trench is also a region of intense tectonic and volcanic activity. Due to the high pressure, low temperature, and dark environment in the depths, the living conditions of the Mariana Trench are quite difficult and limited. However, even in this region, some deep-sea creatures are known to exist. How are the types of life in the oceans? Let's take a look at this issue. The oceans are one of the areas with the most diverse and rich ecosystems in the world. The oceans are home to a wide variety of living things living at different depths and regions. Here are some key points about life in the oceans. Diversity of marine life. The oceans are home to a variety of species, from fish to invertebrates, from marine mammals to seabirds. There are more than 30,000 species of fish and millions of marine invertebrates worldwide. Coral reefs. Coral reefs are one of the richest and most diverse ecosystems in the oceans. Corals form reefs by building their hard skeletons, and these reefs are home to thousands of different species of colorful corals and other sea creatures. Plankton. Plankton are microscopic creatures that are abundant in the oceans. It is divided into two main groups as phytoplankton, plant plankton, and zooplankton, animal plankton. Plankton form the basic link of the food chain and are important as a food source in the oceans. Cetaceans. The oceans are home to a variety of marine mammals such as whales, dolphins, seals, and sea turtles. These mammals are creatures that have adapted to living in the aquatic environment and exhibit different hunting and migratory behaviors. Deep-sea creatures. Creatures living in the depths of the oceans have adapted to harsh and extreme conditions. These creatures have to be resistant to factors such as high pressure, low temperature, darkness, and food shortage. Various creatures such as deep-sea fish, sea sponges, corals, and microorganisms live in these areas. Life in the oceans is very complex and has not yet been fully explored. By studying marine biology and ocean ecosystems, scientists are trying to learn more about the diversity, adaptations, and interactions of these creatures. In fact, the oceans and seas are as innocent and fun as it is thought, but also very dangerous. It was nice to dive deep. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.